Hey friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another motivational video. My name is Janat. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. May God bless you. And if you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found me. On my channel, I do cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, and sometimes I come up with new recipes. And in this video, I'm bringing you along as I clean my hallway and decorate it. It's simple decoration. I will also be organizing the laundry area where I keep everything that I use for laundry. It is always a dusty place. And at the end of this video, there is a mini grocery haul from Mega Standard and Capital Shoppers. So how about you subscribe and hit the like button so that this video goes really far and it gets recommended to other people or other mothers out there.
If I were to the sea, baby, I never say forever into the light. Every time I try to breathe, the moon will rise and carry me. For I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, hold back. And you should know that, it's never gone. Just have regrets. So I won't go back, go back. Oh, Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. And the moon shine back again. And the moon shine back again. When I drove down to my place, while I blamed the world's neglect, then I shine right back again. So I won't hold back, hold back. And you should know that, it's never gone. Just like regrets. So I won't go back, go back. Oh, Lord, guide me to forget the time I lost with no regrets. Let me
I filmed this video a few weeks back, but I just wasn't done with the editing. And here my daughter was talking to me, telling me stories in their boarding school. And you know, things have not changed. These are the same stories we told each other. And they are not actually true, that there is a ghost somewhere. So if you have been to a boarding school, you can relate. There is always a ghost in a certain corner somewhere. This is some part of the garage. I keep my cleaning tools here and a shoe rack, which is very dusty, but I'll get to in another video. I'm going to organize the soap and detergents plus the liquid detergents that I use while hand washing on this pink rack. If you can remember it, part of it was under the kitchen sink. I got this. Everything that I'm going to show you is from, okay, I mixed things up, so I'll just say them as they are. I don't remember whatever I got from Mega Standard or Capital Shoppers. I've mixed them together. I got this one, flower, we call it a flower basket. The other one I had here in the kitchen had got broken. I got this one. It is melamine. It can also break, but not so so fast. I got this other one down here on it also. I think I'll use this on the dining or anywhere I will see it fits. I have these sandals here. I have shower gel. I have Imperial leather. This is for the kids. This is what they use. Bathing soap. I have Protex. This is from my bathroom. I have a microfiber kitchen set. I've never owned one. This is my first time. And I have the microfiber clothes. These are from Capital. Some person was asking me where I get them from. The microfiber clothes are from Capital Shoppers. They have stocked. There are a lot of them there. If you hurry, you can get yourself one. But a lot of people love them, so if you don't hurry, you will not find them. I got So Soft. You know, this is for laundry. And Sensodyne is the toothpaste that we use. I got Safisha the Specialist. I want to try it out. I've never used Safisha dishwashing paste. I've seen Kenyan YouTubers use it, so I also want to try it. And then this shower gel is for the kids. I have battery cells. I listen to radio, so these are for my radio. I have Minute Maid, and then Squishy, all this Squishy that kids drinks, and then the Jessa milk is still for the kids. I have these hooks. I'm going to use them here in the kitchen to put on my wet kitchen towels, or those that are dry that I know that I'm using. I've never had a place to really hang them. I'm going to try this out. This is goat meat, fried goat meat. Yeah. Then I have the golden fry vegetable oil and Royco. I have chicken masala and Blue Band. And then this Harpic is in Mega. It's on a promotion. If you are buying one, it is 9,500, or some places it is even 10,000. But right now in Mega Standard, it is 15,000. Like these two are for 15,000. So that means that one goes for like 7,000. It is cheaper when you buy two. Buy two, save 25%. And finally, I got this mop. My mop was starting to act up, so I got a new one, Royalford. I think Royalford is the best in these things. It is 360, 100% microfiber mop. I love that color. Like purple is my favorite color, so I'm glad I got it. And I'll be using it. I'll be telling you how I find it. Yeah, that's it. This is how the artificial candles help when road shading happens. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. God bless you.